Texas, until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kingwood to near Dayton to near Old River Winfrey, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Liberty, Cleveland, Dayton, Kingwood, Crosby, Shepherd, Glendora, Hatton Village, Roman Forest, Harding, Plum Grove, Kennefic, North Cleveland, Dayton Lakes, Lake Houston, Eastern Atascocita, Tarkington Prairie, Moss Hill, Romeo, and Rye. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is your NOAA weather radio station.